Hello kids, welcome to my channel Shino Kids. Kids, in this video we are going to read CVC sentences with short A sound. Are you ready kids? Let's start. Pam has a pan. Pam has a pan. Now your turn. Pam has a pan. Dad has a pad. Dad has a pad. Now your turn. Dad has a pad. Sam took my hat. Sam took my hat. Now your turn. Sam took my hat. The rat is fat. The rat is fat. Now your turn. The rat is fat. Sam has a bag. Sam has a bag. Now your turn. Sam has a bag. Dan saw a tap. Dan saw a tap. Now your turn. Dan saw a tap. Pam has jam. Pam has jam. Now your turn. Pam has jam. Gab has a fan. Gab has a fan. Now your turn. Gab has a fan. Anne has a rag. Anne has a rag. Now your turn. Anne has a rag. Pat the cat has a bat. Pat the cat has a bat. Now your turn. Pat the cat has a bat. I sat on my dad's lap. I sat on my dad's lap. Now your turn. I sat on my dad's lap. Take a cab to the lab. Take a cab to the lab. Now your turn. Take a cab to the lab. The can has ham in it. The can has ham in it. Now your turn. The can has ham in it. Sam has a can of gas. Sam has a can of gas. Now your turn. Sam has a can of gas. The cat can pat a rat. The cat can pat a rat. Now your turn. The cat can pat a rat. Max has a can of wax. Max has a can of wax. Now your turn. Max has a can of wax. Well done, kids. You all did a great job. Kids, now you can revise all the sentences together in one go. Read these sentences one by one yourself by pausing this video. Amazing, kids! You have successfully read the CVC sentences with short A sound. Thank you, kids. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.